Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show how to calculate cross sheets. We have three ways I want to try. First one is copy and paste by value and use equal sign. First of all, I want to try this one, copy and paste. I come here, copy the entire column, the total, copy, and I just come here, select column and paste. Oops, it doesn't work because when we use this technique, it automatically copy the formula, not just the value. You can see it copied the function or the formula, not the value. Come here, so you can see each of these cells are the representative of four other cells, so it doesn't work in that way. So I am just going to delete this. The next one, I want to try this one, paste by value. In this one we just paste the value, not the formula. So I want to try this one. Just come here, copy, Ctrl C, just come here and select the column and paste here by value. Yes, it works almost fine, but there is a tiny problem. Because I just come here, you can see it's 16. When I come here and change this one to 26, enter, you can see still it's 16 but becomes 26. So it just copy the value, not the formula or anything else. So it doesn't work properly either. To delete this one. So the last one is use equal sign. I just add equal sign here. I just go to the sheet I want to bring here or I want to calculate. I just come to salary 2020 and select the cell. After that, we should not go back to our sheet. We just press enter. You can see it works perfectly. Now you can see if I want to update, if I want to bring any changes to my source, it will update automatically. I just come here, I make it 26. Before, I just want to clean this too and enter, and see now it is 63. I just come here, yes, it works just fine. Now I just come here, select this cell and put equal sign, and salary 2021, I just come here and select the cell and enter. We repeat this for salary 2022. Don't forget the equal sign and 2022 and enter. You know that fill handle even works in calculating in cross sheets. So in this here I just use the auto sum for total. Now for the commission, I have to calculate the entire commission for this 3 years. I just put my equal. I just come to salary 2020 to the commission. I just here, I don't go anywhere, I just add plus. You can see here plus. After that I go to here salary 2021, select the cell plus salary 2022 and select. This time we don't go anywhere, we just press enter. Yep, I use fill handle and drag it down. So I just want to find the total. I just select this and auto sum. Thank you. That's it for today. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.